everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of ShopPay on all devices. If you want to log out or sign out of the devices that you are connected with ShopPay and you are logged in with, then the process is quite easy. You can simply achieve the result with a click of a button. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Open a web browser and type in shop.app inside the URL box. Once you search for it, from the official website of ShopPay, make sure to log into your account. After you type in the URL, you'll end up in this page. If you want to sign out properly from all of the devices that you are logged into ShopPay with, simply go ahead and click on your profile initial at the top right corner. Now click on the settings button. And once you open up the account section, click on Login and Security. You will then come across this option where it says Log out of all devices. Simply click on it and click on Log out everywhere. Doing this will log you out of all of the devices and browser that you've logged in with ShopPay. So that is how you can easily log out of all devices on ShopPay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.